Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and I'm not going to say that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, although things are looking a little bit shakier, and the level here that I want to adjust down for, and it's not necessarily that close right now, but 1075 I would definitely consider a very, very important level moving forward. And the reason why 1075 is important, and again, I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, but if the price were to come down here, first off, that would imply that the price has continued to pull back. And then if the price came down there, that would also imply that the price has broken through the level of support. But now all of a sudden, the next part is, well, where would that be putting the price? And you correspond that back with the last time it was down around that area. And we were talking about a time, several days ago where the last time the price was down here. And, price movements with true overall momentum aren't going to be going back to where they were. Now, to an extent, yeah, but at that point, it's starting to look a little shaky. Now, keep in mind, though, looking shaky and being totally destroyed are two very, very different things. So I'm not saying that if 1075 is broken, the entire chart's destroyed. That wouldn't be accurate or honest because, again, you still got to also acknowledge the fact that that pink line right there, the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average, is still got an upward slope to it. And, the price is still well up above there. So just because 1075 is broken doesn't mean that everything's destroyed. Now, if the price all of a sudden crashes down through that level and then crashes down through the pink line, okay, at that point in time, that's a much different conversation. But that hasn't happened, and as of right now, that's not even close to happening. But nonetheless, like I said, 1075, definitely I would consider a very important level of support. In terms of areas of resistance, if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, that key breakout point now going to be right there at 1250 in the near term. So keep a close eye on that. But yeah, no doubt about it, this pullback getting a little bit deeper here, but we'll see if the price can try to level things out and then turn it back around and then keep on building with the overall uptrend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.